So we'll be seeing new athletes out there like Kayla, as well as athletes that we recognize from previous seasons. And we can see Kayla is getting ready to compete on the vault for the Beeves. So she's just waiting for the judges to give her the go-ahead. And I see the green flag. And Kayla's headed down the runway for her first competition routine in Gel. Nice Yurchenko full. We'll be seeing quite a lot of the Yurchenko entry style vaults from the Beeves today. I would say solid vault. Quick replay on that here. Nice amplitude. She does have to pike down a little bit. Back over on bars for the Beeves. This is freshman Kayla Bird. Nice high bar handstand. Toe on to overshoot. Looks like she was a little bit short on that overshoot to handstand. Back up for her high bar handstand. Ooh, a little short again. Nice stalder though. To a big, oh shoot. Big Takachev, but didn't, yeah.
She'll get up and finish up with her dismount here for this bar routine.
Talking about unique skills, you don't see too many stalders in college gymnastics, so that was fun. Now looking
I
to
love
finish
that
strong.
skill though. I love seeing gymnasts do some stalders.
Oh. So not the bar routine that Kayla was looking for, but